So to start off with, we're going to add 1 cup of water and then a cup of white vinegar. You can use malt vinegar or cider vinegar if you want to, that's up to you. And then a tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we'll just give that a bit of a stir. Now you can add other things to this if you want to, like mustard seeds. But what I'm going to do is add about a teaspoon of oregano or oregano, depending on where you're from. Then we're going to bring this to a boil and stir it as well, because we just want to make sure the salt and sugar are fully dissolved. And while that's happening, we'll prep these peppers. We've also got a recycled jar, and this has been boiled in a pan for about 10 minutes to sterilise it. So when it comes to these peppers, you just want to take the end off, and you'll see inside there's lots and lots of seeds. Seeds are the ones that create the most heat in chili peppers, so if you don't want it too hot, you can take some out just by rubbing it like this, and then give it a bang, and seeds will start falling out. And these seeds can be saved. What you need to do is put them on a piece of paper towel. See how many seeds come out of one. So we've probably took the majority of seeds out of that pepper. So if you don't want it so hot, do that. And we'll transfer the rest of these seeds onto this paper, because we'll let these dry out for a day or so, and then we'll put them in an airtight container, and then you've got your seeds for your chili plants next year for free. Don't forget to stir that mixture. You don't want to burn that sugar. So then we'll move on to another one. So if you want to just do these the regular way, just slice them into rings like that, leaving the seeds in. That part I'll leave up to you. While you're doing this, you might want to wear gloves. And I found this is a better size jar for that quantity that we've got. So we're just going to sterilise that in boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I've just chopped roughly a clove of garlic. We don't need a lot, that's plenty. And then we can take that sterilised jar and we'll add these chili peppers and that chopped garlic. And then after giving it a quick stir, we're going to fill this jar. And just leave a little bit of space at the top, and then settle them all down in case you need to top up again. And then we'll just pop the lid on and make sure it's got a really good seal. And that's your homemade pickled peppers done. And they'll last in a refrigerator for around 2 months. But if you do open them and you still keep them in your fridge, you need to use them up within about 2 weeks, just so you know.